Snakes are good at this sound. Bees are good at this sound. And you can be good at both these sounds in English if you watch this video. Hi, I'm Damien, the sledgehammer that smashes down English language barriers. And this series is all about helping you get better in pronunciation. These techniques will make it easier for people to understand you. In this episode, we're focusing on the two consonant sounds S and Z. Oh, and keep watching to find out why in English you get two sounds for the price of one with a lot of consonants. Onto the video. Okay, before we look at S and Z, it's important to see where they fit in the big picture of the phonemic chart, or what I like to call the map of the mouth. This beautiful chart designed by Adrian Underhill shows you what to do with your nose, lips, teeth, tongue, roof of the mouth, and voice box. Let's take a closer look at the parts of your face that produce sound. Number one, lips, which spread and move back, or round and move forward. Number two, tongue, which moves forward and back and also curls. Number three, jaw, which moves up and down, changing the size of the space inside your mouth. And number four, voice, turning the vocal cords on and off to make voiced or unvoiced sounds. This line of the consonant sounds are called fricatives. Think friction, or two things rubbing up against each other. You direct air through your mouth, creating friction with your lips, teeth, and tongue. Okay, what's really important in pronunciation is understanding the inside connections in your mouth. We are going to learn S and Z and how they're connected to That's three sounds for the price of one. Ka-ching! Okay, work with me on this. What's this sound? S. That's right. Now let's make it longer. Now really get inside your mouth and feel how you produce S. Alright, step one, touch the sides of your tongue to the sides of your teeth, and then slowly bring the tip of your tongue close to that gummy ridge above your two front teeth. And then that will create the friction for this sound. But remember, don't let your tongue touch your front teeth or gum. Let's give it a go. So, tongue on teeth and the tip or blade of the tongue nearly touching the ridge behind your teeth. You got it. Let's look inside.
Sir. Sir.
Ow. Okay, back into the mouth and enough slapping my face. What's the difference between S and Z? If you said voice box, you're correct. So you need to turn on your voice box. Let's start with S and then turn on Z. You should feel a rumble in your voice box, which wasn't there for S. Try this. Put your hand on your voice box and produce Z. Take your hand off and produce S. Let's try it. On, Z, off. S. On, Z, off. S. Really get to feel what the voice box is doing, as this will help you with all the voice sounds in English. If this video is helping you, please remember to sledgehammer that like button. It really helps the channel. Do it! Always try to connect sounds on the map. The more connections you make, the more fluent your pronunciation will come as you move quickly between those sounds. So let me show you the relationship between z and Okay, hit the s position and then slowly move your tongue until it touches that gummy ridge above your two front teeth, and really feel what happens to the sound and where does the air go. So what sound have we changed to? That's right, which is a nasal sound. So when your tongue moves forward, it blocks all the sound and pushes the air up through your nose. Just to check that it is a nasal sound, you can quickly pinch your nose. And as you can see, no air comes out. And then once again, remember to produce zzz. It's just a matter of turning on your voice box. So let's go from s to z to Are you ready? And backwards. Great work. As I said at the start of the episode, you get 2 for the price of 1 for a lot of consonant sounds. The only difference in mouth position being that you're turning the voice box on or off. Let me give you some examples with a piece of paper. T, d, p, b, k, g. You get the idea. Remember, you need to practice like you're going to play. Pronunciation isn't in your brain, it's a physical sport. You need to start moving those facial muscles. To help with this, in each episode we have a 2-step practice routine. Minimal pairs and tongue twisters. Okay, repeat after me and then try it yourself. Don't just say it, feel it and be aware of what's happening in your mouth. Sue, zoo, sip, zip, bus, buzz, peace, peas, price, prize. Tongue twisters are good exercises for your mouth. They help you move quickly between different sounds and hopefully make you more fluent in English conversation. So let's do tongue twisters. I'll do one slowly and then quickly, and then you give it a go. Tongue twister 1. She sells seashells on the seashore. The shells she sells are seashells, I'm sure. And if she sells seashells on the seashore, then I'm sure she sells seashore shells. And quickly, she sells seashells on the seashore. The shells she sells are seashells, I'm sure. And if she sells seashells on the seashore, then I'm sure she sells seashore shells. Whew, that's a bit of a tricky one. Tongue twister 2. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? So there you have it. S and Z. And if you haven't already, make sure you sledgehammer that subscribe button to continue on this language learning journey with me. Remember, practice is so important. So make sure you practice these sounds in front of a mirror or using a camera on a mobile phone. That's it for this episode. Be the snake, be the bee, and start taking your English mask off today. See you next time.